Oh my god. First bite, guys. Mmm. Oh my god, I missed this so much. Hey, no offense, but have you guys ever been to a Chinese food restaurant and you're even showing off your chopstick skills, right? Only to realize that in the back kitchen, it's Mexicans, Americans cooking your food. Yeah, does that even qualify as Chinese food anymore? And that's exactly why I haven't had any Filipino food yet. So it's been around 2 months now since I departed from the Philippines, and there's one thing that I've been craving like you guys have no freaking idea. And if I could make one wish right now, I know exactly what it would be. Yeah, Filipino food. Island Barbie, where are you? I found your car. Nice, huh? This fits you perfectly. What's interesting is that a subscriber suggested that I should go to National City, which is a place here in San Diego, to eat Filipino food. Bro, thank you. Hey, pretty gnarly, eh? And actually, this is the route I take to go to work every night. And it gets dark here, guys, and it gets creepy. If you guys have seen some of my short videos, you guys might notice that this is the path that I take to go to work every single night. And it's cold, and it's dark, and it's creepy. To get to my job, no choice, I have to take it. Somebody was having too much fun there.
Oh man, it's so busy. That Filipino food must be buzzing.
Okay guys, here comes the moment of truth. Grilled pompano. They even have crispy pata. Oh, that sick looks so good. They also have kare kare. They got the jumbo squid.
Oh, okay. I wanna try this.
Damn, she's loading up that container. Check out the pig's butt, lechon. They got all the famous street foods right here. My boy wasn't joking about this place. They got everything. There's only one bad thing about this, guys. It's raining. It's raining, guys. That was my biggest fear when I saw my scooter's getting wet and everything. Oh my god, I'm gonna go get my scooter. There we go. That way it doesn't get super wet. All right, what do we have here, guys? I got some. Oh my god, the grill. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. First bite, guys. Mmm. Pesos. Oh my god, I missed this so much. Got my white rice as well.
Damn, she really knows how much I love this. I'm really gonna miss her and the Philippines. Getting treated so good feels like an early Christmas to me.
And I
also got this, guys. Oh my god, that's so delicious. I knew this was gonna be worth it. I knew this was gonna be worth it, guys. Oh, I've been craving for Filipino food for a while, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so delicious. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh yeah. I know some of you are gonna say you should eat with your hands if you're a real Filipino or something, but you know what? My hands are dirty, guys. I've been riding the scooter all day and grabbing the camera and all that, and I didn't get a chance to wash my hands, so I'm not gonna do it. But I would love to though. Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you for this moment. Thank you, Lord, for always putting delicious, nice food in my table. I love you so much. That nice sticky rice. My God. That's the boss right there. He's the salesman. That's the boss right there. That's the boss right there. He's el jefe. I'm not even kidding, guys. Like I really feel like this. Oh my god, it's so delicious, guys. Like I can taste the smokiness, guys. You guys know what I'm talking about? Oh, like the real smokiness, guys. From the Philippines, it's here, guys. You know who would really appreciate this, guys? The Island Barbie, guys. There's one big difference though. These are not that big over there. In the Philippines, this would be the actual size right here. It would not be that big. So it would be like this. So this is 2 brochetas right here. I got me 4, guys. Thank you, Lord. I really needed this, guys. I really needed this. Doing the scratcher, guys. This is typical, guys, right here. Check it out. It's chilling, guys. It's typical. Mom, what's the name of this? I forgot.
Sisig.
Oh, a Sisig? Oh, that's nice. Thank you, huh? Salamat. Sisig, guys. I wanna work here, I think. I'll be eating Filipino food every freaking day. Not even playing. And this is chicken right here. The Philippines makes some of the best rice. So it's not too sticky, but it's not crumbly either. It has some sort of level of stickiness. You see? It falls into pieces. No more, guys. Oh my god. Grilled barbecue. Done. 2 orders of rice. Done. Sisig. Done. This brings memories, guys. You know what, guys? I'm satisfied, but I'm sad, guys. I feel like this didn't last long. Like, it was just too quick. Did I eat too fast or what? Remember I told you guys about the scratcher, guys? Let me show you something. Right here. Look, scratchers, lottery, scratchers everywhere, guys. Literally. I wasn't lying to you guys. Like when I was in the Philippines, it's just like the adrenaline or something, I think. It's awesome, guys. This was delicious food, guys. I was here in Seafood City. Some of you guys know this place. It's in National City. I didn't know this was Filipino until somebody dropped it in the comments.